Good morning. It's October 2nd, 2012. We had quite a move up overnight, and if you take a look at this chart, you can see we had a Gartley pattern that formed yesterday, and it pretty much has fulfilled its shape. I came in, saw the market about here, knew that that might be a good trade as the Gartley pattern was likely complete and price would be heading down, but it's pre-market. I just don't care to get into pre-market today, although that might have been a good opportunity. Well, it was. Some other homework I did concerned these levels that I investigated. It's truly amazing how we had a reversal at this support resistance line. We had this pivot at Friday's London close. We had here was the opening range high. Price stopped there. Friday's open, price stopped there. The London close, price messed around there, and Friday's opening range low, price pivoted there. So it's amazing how these different points are being respected. Now here's one that I couldn't find a handle for other than some old SR points, and they weren't that well defined. Here's one recently, and maybe that's enough. It was also respected right here on this big pivot. So if you have anything to pass along on how to see those and where that occurred, I'd appreciate it. That was at the 840 level. Okay, so you could well have a nice drop of several more points, but we shall see. We could also have a skirt up. Market opens in about 15 minutes. Okay, the market's opening, and we'll wait till we see a setup. Take a pause. Okay, we're in with a short based on our 610 coming down on a nice V.
Change up.
Okay, we got one stop filled. Okay, I got both stop filled, so we're got our opening loser. Okay, we're looking at a beautiful pattern on the 440. If that BB prints down where it is now or lower, we'll be in for another short.
610 changed up. Change down.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, we're in for another short. Okay, we're making some progress on this second short. We just hit our first target. I think I'm going to leave my second target where it is. Okay, we're approaching our second target. take a pause. Okay, we've tapped the second target but didn't get filled.
Target filled.
Okay, we filled the second target, so that was a successful trade. We'll watch for our next setup. We still have downtrend on the mid-size charts going. We're getting a pretty nice formation under 440 here. It's starting to fall apart. Could have a reversal here on this short range fib area. Didn't reach the deeps. Got separation underneath 440 and 610, and nothing preventing a reversal on 987 and 1597.
233 change up.
Price keeps punching through these support lines that exist in here.
4181 changed her.
Could have a pivot right in here. It could be as low as down here though. I don't think it's going to get any lower than this. Right there. Might end up taking a long here. Okay, we're in a long right here. Okay, we're making some progress.
10 change up.
You can see prices respecting this support line, in this case resistance. Okay, took the first one off. Don't want this to turn into a loser. Looks like this guy's losing gas. He's losing momentum. Okay, that trade stalled out on me, and I got 4 ticks on each car. And now price is rising. Would have hit my first target, Trust your indicators. There's a beautiful 2-bar for short, touch the deeps, but 610's right on the rail, so we probably got more up. Okay, we've got price approaching this heavy-duty support resistance line right here. It's also could become a double top from here. I also think we're on the deeps of this fib range. Let's try that. Yeah, it almost brings us to these deeps here. Let's mark them. So let's watch for that. That'll probably be the end of my trading day. We're already past 9:30 Central Time, as I like to quit by then, but we'll give this a look. We're starting to get some separation on 610. We're coming to the upper Bollinger Band on 987, which could present resistance. Okay, here's how I did today. Again, I started off with a full stop out. You know, that's not a good habit. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. Then followed by a good trade. I could have had another good trade, but I got out early and didn't trust my indicators on this long being successful. Here we had the opening. And I took my first short a little bit early, only less than 2 minutes into the market. Got stopped out and took my second short. It was a successful trade. I made note of some support resistance lines. I relied on this support line, and it did turn out. I was kind of catching a falling knife here. It did turn out, but I didn't trust it. Didn't hit my 2 targets, which would have put me up nicely for today. I got 0.6 points out of today. And best of trading to you. We'll see you tomorrow.